Hey everyone, this is Chad from Move Work Forward. Thanks again for joining us for another Team Hacks. Today we're going to talk about content planning and content creation. But first, I have some quick stats for you. According to a recent article published by Forbes, which I'll link to in the description, 90% of marketers include content in their marketing strategies. 51% of content consumption comes from organic search. And according to the same survey, 74% of companies that were surveyed believe that content creation and planning help companies with their lead growth. So in short, content marketing is vital to any company looking to grow and expand. A solid content plan is key for consistency and engagement with your customers. So here are some tips to help build a successful content program. Number 1, set clear goals. You've all heard of SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Align those goals with your business objectives, OKRs or goals. For example, for more traffic to your website, focus on SEO optimized posts. Number 2, know your audience. Create buyer personas. Use surveys and analytics to get feedback from customers and potential customers. Number 3, create a content calendar. Use tools like Trello, Google, Confluence, whatever's easiest for you and your team to collaborate. Plan themes and key dates. For example, text blogs can focus on major tech events that are coming your way, and your team are sponsoring or attending. Number 4, brainstorm content ideas. Use mind mapping and team brainstorming as sessions. Also, don't forget to monitor trends specific to your industry. Number 5, optimize for SEO. Do keyword research, optimize titles and meta descriptions. Make sure to link and backlink when possible, along with creating valuable content for your users. Number 6, measure and adjust. Track your metrics, like page views and conversions. Use tools like Google Analytics or any of your other tools that you use for your marketing. This will give you an understanding of what content you're putting out is relevant for your audience. So quick recap: set goals, know your audience, stay organized, and always be creative. We would love to hear from you. Share your content planning tips in the comments below. See you next time. Thanks.